Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I'm going to be unboxing Boxycharm for December. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. It's around $24, something like that, and depending on the style of subscription that you get. They also have more expensive boxes, Boxy Luxe and Boxy Premium, which are different sizes and have more products. The base box, which is the one I get, you get I think 5 to 6 products. Most of them are full size, and it comes once a month. Let me dive right in. Here's the box, and on top you get a description of what's in there, and it's bubbles and glitz for this month. The first thing in this box are Luxy brushes. There's 5 brushes. It's an eye set. You've got a crease brush, a fluffy brush, a pencil brush, a smudger, and another one, a small shader. And that's cool. I have other Luxy brushes and I do like them. I do use them. So I will use these too. Then I have Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. So Glow Moisturizer. So it says to apply every morning to cleansed skin. Priming moisturizer. So I guess it's a morning moisturizer that you use first thing. Here's that. That's nice. I have a lot of nighttime moisturizers, but not a lot of first thing in the morning ones, so this can be that for me. Then I have a MAC matte lipstick. I really like MAC lipsticks, especially the bullet lipsticks, but I find that there's a question to whether they're cruelty-free now. So I'm kind of on the fence about. I don't really purchase from MAC anymore because of that reason. So that is a real candy pink. It's called Candy Yum Yum. That's appropriate. And then the next thing in here is Ofra banana powder. Ofra banana powder. I love banana powder, setting powder. And I really love Ofra powder. Ofra's powdered formulas are really usually finely milled, and this feels very finely milled. I would be very happy to use this as a setting powder. I like that. Banana powder is good for a lot of different skin types, and yeah, I like it. I like it. Okay, what else is in here? Oh, the Artist Couture Caliente palette. That I do not have yet. I have heard of it. It's all hot, warm colors. That's cool. This is definitely something that I can use. There's some shimmers and some mattes in here. If this is something you want to see me use, let me know. I might just do a video on this anyway in January. Using this stuff. I like everything. I didn't get a ton of stuff in here, but I got solid items that I like and that I know I'll use. So I'm pretty happy with that. Anyway, let me know what you think of this box, Boxycharm in general. Did you get Boxycharm? What was in your box? I know there's different variations. So anyway, that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.